play and learn with us. Today, we're going to guess the colors. We'll show you some pictures, and you have to tell us what color they are. Ready? Let's go! What color do you see here? A strawberry, tomato, an apple. Oh, time's up. Can you guess the color? Yes, that's the color red. Red in English, rojo in Spanish, rouge in French, rot in German. Great job! And this one? What color do you see here? A banana, the sun, a baby chick. Tick-tock, time is over. That's right. It's yellow. Yellow in English, amarillo in Spanish, John in French, gelb in German. What color is this? The sky, the ocean, a blue shirt. What color do you think it is? Ding ding, that's the end. Can you name the color? Yes, it's blue. Blue in English, azul in Spanish, blue in French, blau in German. You did an amazing job. We learned a lot of colors together. Would you like to guess more next time? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with us. See you soon!